guys, well this morning, just gone 7 AM here in Bukitlawang. Just been flying the old drone, flying over the river there. It's crazy because whenever you get the drone up, you can actually see how much palm there's growing here for the palm oil. And when you're on the ground, you're driving past, you just see a little bit of it, but when you see it from above, you can actually see where the jungle ends and the palm oil plantations begin. It's actually pretty striking, the effect that it's having on the environment. The place that I'm staying is right beside the river here, so it's just a constant sort of background noise of the river flowing. It's just really nice, and the sun's just come up. I'm gonna get a coffee and sit here and have a coffee. It's gonna be the perfect morning. Just get like a little bit of breakfast, coffee on the terrace. We're heading to an elephant sanctuary today. That starts at 10 o'clock, a few hours drive out there. There's a spa, hot spring, and you can wash the elephants, feed the elephants.
Good morning, James Bond.
Morning. How you doing?
Good. What about you?
Good.
Yeah.
I just flying the drone.
It's yours.
Oh, did you hear?
I just want to take my guitar before. Thanks, man. Go and take a shower with Canon now.
Alright guys, so we just downstairs had some coffee. We're gonna head up, relax. Let's see how the time lapse is going. Yeah, it's going. It looks a bit bright. I'm gonna adjust the shutter speed. Just getting a bit overexposed. The sun's come out. Oh, beautiful morning here. Now the real challenge is how to drink a coffee from a hammock. I don't know if that's challenge accepted. Challenge complete. It's really great seeing you guys supporting, subscribing, commenting, watching my videos, liking, and I've started chatting to a few of you guys who comment on the videos. It's all about building a community of people who like doing the same things, who like to travel, who like to take video, photo, and explore. So yeah, feel free to hit that subscribe button because it really does help. I've got this crazy German guy following me. Oh, you should have seen the bridge that I walked across yesterday. Oh my god, it was just destroyed. Jungle bathroom. This is sick. Dali?
Yes.
Sorry, I like your ride, it's sick. It's awesome. So when can we get on the roof? Later?
Yeah.
Nice. Traffic jam on the road? Good day, sir. Pretty bumpy ride. Managed to get some awesome footage on the GoPro drone and flying over the car as we were driving over the Jeep. Juicy pineapple. Spent 2 hours driving down and just arrived here at the natural hot spring. Gonna jump in, have a quick dip. My guide's just preparing nice fruit salad for us. German guys are ready to go. How is it? Hot? And here it is, the luxury hot spring. Which one? Oh, are we supposed to fit? It's really hot in here. Really? Yeah. But it's like tiny. It's like a tiny little cave. Yeah, that's it recording now. It wasn't the world's tiniest hot spring. Oh, look at you. You okay? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We're heading off to the elephant sanctuary now. We're going to wash some elephants in the river. 3:30 we'll wash them, feed them. That is the plan. The plan of attack for today. Beautiful place. Hey! Under up. Bitter. I think they're playing a trick on me. Oh, no good. Oh. That was horrible.
Yeah.
Ramba? No, it doesn't exist in English. Ramba. Horrible. Alright guys, we just arrived at the elephant conservation sanctuary. Elephants come in at about 3:30, so we're just going to wait in the office now until the elephants come down. The washing area is down that direction. Cappuccino chocolate.
Cooking oil like this one.
Very good. Wow, it's very creative. She's very talented. Milo, yeah. Yeah, we've just driven for about 2 hours through all the palm oil plantations, and what's happening is the rainforest is being cut down for the palm oil in place of the jungle. Hello. So because there's less land and less jungle for the Sumatran elephants to live in, they're encroaching upon the farmers' land, causing conflict. So this conservation unit, they basically help raise funds and protect the elephants in the wild, in the jungle. They've started other programs. You've just seen the little shop there, sort of gifts made of recycled materials. So the mother of the lady that owns the place, she makes the bags out of old washing bags, coffee wrappers, and they sell those kind of products there to help raise more funds. There's 9 elephants here. There's 3 baby elephants and 6 adult elephants. Yeah, it's great to see like family run, not-for-profit conservation unit in the middle of the jungle, helping to protect the wild elephants. It's fantastic. So, hello. This little kid, he's falling. Little puppy. Oh, they took my arm with it. Yes, yes, coming. Yep. Hungry elephants. Like hungry hippos.
Hey James.
Hey.
Do you have any chocolate?
Yes, come.
Oh, we're very hungry, yeah?
Oh, you dropped it. Oh. What an animal. Yep. Oh. Oh, that tongue. Whoa. Lulu. You just seen we washed them, we fed the elephants. They're really well looked after, which is nice to see. And those 9 elephants live in this sanctuary, and they come and tourists come, feed them, wash them, and yeah, it's really nice. It raises money to help protect the other elephants that are in the wild. We're going to head off now, get some food, get some lunch, then we'll drive back to the homestay. It's another day in Indonesia, I guess. So we're not actually going anywhere. It turns out we're having lunch here. There's a restaurant just at the elephant sanctuary. Thank you very much.
Sure, yes.
Cheers, thanks a lot.
I hope you enjoy holiday, yeah?
Yeah. Tomorrow I go back to Kuala Lumpur. Our driver for the day was doing Ramadan, fasting from 5 AM to 6:30 PM. No drinking, no eating, no smoking. He drove us all day, took us around to the elephants, showed us around. I don't know how he did it. Well done. And as soon as it hits 5 in the morning, again, can't eat, drink, smoke all day until 6:30 PM. Another incredible day. Like, you just cannot beat Southeast Asia. This little cat's gone wild here in the room. It's probably good having the cat in the room because she'll kill all the spiders. I was talking to an American girl downstairs. She said a massive spider dropped down onto her bed, and she's freaking out because she can't find it, and she says she's not going back to bed tonight. The Hornbill room comes fit with your own spider killer and bug killer, insect catcher. But you do have to worry about her destroying the mosquito net and getting bitten by mosquitoes all night. So the plan is, I'm going to get changed, get everything onto the laptop as per usual, the usual protocol for the end of day, get all the data onto the hard drive, ready for editing, head down, have some dinner, and chill out with the guys, catch up with everyone, see how their day was, just relax. It's been a long day of shooting and recording. You're trapped in the net, you crazy cat. Tomorrow I head off to the airport, 10:30 I get picked up, 4-hour drive to the airport, then I fly to KL, and then I stay in the Sofitel tomorrow night in KL. Like I said, that subscribe button if you like the video. Thank you again, good night.